my channel's first tutorial, and I'm doing Adobe Photoshop cs6 as for it. And everyone, welcome to my channel, and please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Okay, today we are going to study about Adobe Photoshop cs6 for basic editing. This is Adobe Photoshop cs6 workspace, and all these are essentially parts. Like if you are worked with Adobe Premiere CSS, you know all these things can be more. Okay, I'm not going to further that, it's out of our way today. So first we are today going to introduce these tools on here, all these tools. So in order for that, you should first import a image to here. Okay, the best way for importing an image for basic is the is to just file here on the top left corner, file, open, and just many options. I'm just importing this file, and you can also import in many other ways, like here as not this is the best way to start. Okay, first we are going to talk about move tool. This arrow and a plus combination tool is a move tool, and this is used to move the picture. Now we cannot move this picture now because it is locked here. I just go to bring this back to the screen. It is unlocked. Now you can move this tool. Look at that. The default background that I put is transparent, so it is transparent. You can also see. You can move this picture or anywhere you have, and if you lock this, you cannot move. And you have, when you get place another image in let's say this picture, when you import another picture to this tool is also used to move those pictures, because this free transform also used by this, and we will study about it when we have work with it. And the next tool is what? The selection tool. It's a basic selection tool. M with a shortcut. This rectangular selection tool will just select the part in rectangular, and there are also other three tools and different shapes that you can get to selection tool. Next is this drawing selection tool, and this is just a tool, laser tool. L is a keyboard shortcut. It used to draw in a picture and select it. You can draw in any picture and select it like this. And polygonal tool is to select at each point you give a point and draw, and you select the spot. Magnetic laser tool is a magnetic one points with if you want to select those points correctly, you can use this tool, and you is just some, all these are very good tools if you nail and just about this now. We can go to it more later. Then the next is the quick selection tool. It is basically the most important tool that you basically know. It is used to select the parts of quickly like this, and this is spot where you adjust the brush size. This is the brush size. When we increase, you can say the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Z. It will increase, and Ctrl plus you can change. Actually, sorry, it is changing. Ctrl plus Z is now, and if you it's on, and now there is magic print tool. It is used to click, just one click enough, part of the picture will be selected. It is used when you have giving some light effects and some basic editing effects. It is very useful. We can download later. Then is a crop tool. The shortcut is C, and it is used to cropping your image like this and this. You can crop the image in any way, like this. Then you go, the message will appears cropped, and click only that part of the image will be. And what you surprised, this I press Ctrl plus C. That's the keyboard shortcut for undo in Adobe Photoshop. Also Ctrl press Alt plus Z. And the next is preservative tool. Only the part of the picture you need, and it will crop. You can crop it on any part of the ear. Slice tool, don't crop. To slice the part to part image. These all are professional tools, so basically you don't need to know all these tools. I just undoing all that, and then slice cell tool. Select the entire picture. That's all I know. And this tool is Embed tool, and this you should see in every Adobe softwares. This tool it is used to pick up the color spot. You can see the color is changing here, but on any part when I select here, it is become white. It will be most it is sample tools. We can put the samples there. Then just getting on it, and when we select this, you can put the part where the selected roller tool. Then adjust scale drawing rolling, and when we edit it is, as we want to put an image in here, we just put this over first and then put the image. Node tool is node tool. See, we can comments, and when we go there, what we got is a node tool here. That when it's a long project, what you had done in that point, you can just type here, and when you will be remember it when you have back. There's little notes. Then is contact tools, spot healing tools. Spot healing brush tool is here, and is used to heal. We cannot use this healing because the layer is locked. Okay. Yes, unlock it. Unlocking. And what we want is the healing tool, and it's a very useful purpose in Adobe Photoshop cs6. Look at that, it's just healed. Is normal. When you go to replace, it will replace that part to here. So I'm doing all that things. And another is hairing brush tool. And if you are working in it and you want to make this mountain appear on here, you don't need actually, need to go to this quick selection tool and find all this, select and copying and paste. You can also do the healing brush tool, press Alt here. It's still locked, and they select and this part Alt, click Alt, then appears a round point like this, and click on it. It's normal, it became so slow, so it's time to replace. Okay, and now what we have, the image is in our hand. When Alt plus, okay, click Alt here, when you got that part of image we got here. place that there, there. You want this mountain to be here, there, there. All this rubbish, it needs professionals to. If you are professional, you can change it. Okay, okay, just put there. I have showing a cube here, and just healing all this thing here, here, here. Okay, loading. The most thing we don't like is loading. Okay, the computer is processing it, and look at that, some good piece of rubbishes. Okay, it have a lot of work in it. Adobe, what is this thing? Son of bitch. I don't know that. And next is patch tool. If you select this part, you can give any part of here. Okay, that is normal part. Contact table, get it, go to here. The mountain will appear on here, and you can change its adaptation here. Medium, very straight. It all have some different bugs. And you have patch tool, normal mode, destination. And now what we heard is you can move this destination to any other places, and if it is source, you can bring any other part of the image to that point like this. Okay, it is, I'm just showing basic that you should know about the tools what we have here. And red light tool is not important. This brush tool, so I'm not going to deeply because it's a big tutorial standard to completely cover. It's brush tool to paint. You can select the color here. It's photography mode. If you are changing it in the painting mode, you can select the color here and adjust the hard light, normal, dissolve, brush size here, type of brushes. It's not going to pulse. Opacity is a word that say how much how amount of paint you want to be play here. Some good parts in here tutorial, I will cover it soon. Okay, and oh bullshit. Okay, I just go to it, and I'm going deeply to paint tool, and this chrome stamp tool. This just clone all the way. You can see a point. Look at that point right to it. The cloning is on that point. That plus mark you can see. I think you see it there. That is cloning all the way. You can just increase the size, and look at that. What we got the wherever that plus mark go, that will be cloned to here. Look at that. That is just amazing. Oh, okay. Look at that. Where the plus tool go? Oh, I really like it. That will be cloned to here. And pattern stamp tool. And this not big tool. It will be draw a pattern. It's not good. Oh, I'm doing this pretty cool. Just this history tool. History tool is used to undo the entire history that you had done. Okay, look at now. Look on here. I cleared, and when I drag here, what happened? The opacity is not 76. Make it 100. You can see it will change the image to what it had originally seen when I imported it. The entire history had come. Yeah, just undoing it. It is history tool. It is very important tool. Art history tool is nothing. It there is some part of painting. It's not. I'm going to detail for that. And it is next is the eraser tool. It is to erase a image to background. It is a good tool. We can adjust the opacities, and we use background color tool. Is and it is not now when you have a default background, when you have placed other images to it and remove some part of it. It is when what I say is when you use this as the background and importing other images to this picture, it is very useful to use tools. Then it's the add-in tool. I'm not going deep into it. It's just you. I think you guys know if you are just adding snow soft light on that. Or there's two messages about that. This magnify tool. This now look on here. Just magling that. Just dragging that, and I think it is used when you have face corrections, symbols, blur sharpen tool to sharpen these areas, and it is loading. I don't like this. Loading is really bad in normal mode. The sharpen, there's too not. I don't give it too much. Blur tool is to blur the area. Now it's dodge tool. Look at that here. I just burned that color in there, and burn tool is also darkening it, and you can alternate mid-tone shadows here, and all the slot of sponge tool is also like that, just refreshing and renewing the areas. It is pen tool, basic pen tools, and I think you all know that to select that the same as we done here in the magic tool, laser tool, somewhat like that, and all I'm doing that thing. So, then the test tool. So the type test, I just typing here layer 1, but this is what a pre-test selected. You can have the what type of change you have, the color you want, the size, the color, just select black to see, and the autometrics, the right type you may not see. Just increase the size of it and you will see it. Wow, so much. We saw basically should know what is these tools, and also say selecting all and clear, just clear it. And there is a vertical type if you can want to type it downward. Horizontal mask tool is, and that type tool is masking everything. It's not size is not enough. Just increase it. Look at that, just masked it, and it have a we will later tell you about it. Path selection tool, it's just for selecting, don't need to really, and this is just painting tools. So get some types of shapes in your way. It is useful when you're making some logos and other things. And this is basic hand tool. I think yours hand tool, just moving and selecting the same but done by this move tool, as not always zoom tool, and alt click alt, then change this to unzoom, plus zoom, alt unzoom. Basic should first know all the shortcuts, it make their work easy. And these are selecting the same color selection tools here, and this is to mask it. Sorry, that have a lot of work. We can't study all this in a single part, because we are not doing it too much in our this tutorial. When you have making a project, we will automatically study the uses of all these things. This is full screen tool here. Just covered this tutorial as a basic tutorial to know all these is tools here. I think you have know something about this, and I promising you will study it more when you look through it, and you can select it like this. This I like this. And the next tutorial I will tell you about this part of Photoshop, or the upper components Photoshop. I think you guys like my tutorial. If you like, please like my video and subscribe to me. And if you have any doubts, please contact me on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Anjal Sali, ANJALSALI. And if you want any upcoming tutorials as you don't know, please message me and I will probably give answer it by another tutorial video. And thanks for watching this, and please subscribe my page and channel. Thank you.